Today I am going to discuss force and pressure. So in this all these pictures, what do you observe? A goalkeeper saving a goal. He actually applied force to save the goal. A hockey player flicking a ball. Here again applying force. Third, a fielder stopping a ball. For stopping ball needs to apply force. So in this all pictures you are able to see a man pushing the car. Second, hockey player playing with ball. A person drawing a card. Horse drawing a card. Tug of war playing football. What do you see here? Some person are pushing, some person are pulling. So first three diagram is actually example of pushing, and second all these three are example of pulling. In simple way you can say that force is the push or pull of an object. But children, now you have to go to ninth class. So this is very important to understand what is force. Force is a cause that changes the position of object. So in class 9th you have to study about the force is a cause that changes the position of an object. This is given in Newton's law of motion. So what is the cause of the force? When one object come in contact with each other, when interaction takes place between the two objects, then force exert. So for example, if a man stands behind a car and if car does not move, he pushes the car, actually he applies force and car begins to move in the direction of the applied force. So in this example you are able to see there is interaction between the human being and car. Just like that, a car being pushed by a man, there is interaction between the car and man. In third, both of the girls are playing. In all these examples, there is interaction, but you are seeing in first example, man is only standing behind the car. Here man and car has no interaction, so force is not applied on them. Pulling, pull, here also applying force. So this is very simple experiment you can do at home. Take a box that is empty or full and you try to push it, you feel difficulty. But when your friend with you push that heavy box in same direction, you feel you can do it easily. But both of you stand opposite of each other, then again this is difficult to push or pull it. So what I want to say that in first case the force applied on the object, if there are two or more than two persons apply on the object, that will be added. If the force exerted on the object that is in opposite direction, that will be subtract. So in first condition, two or more than two person, if apply force in same direction, we have to add it. In second example, we have to subtract it. So in this diagram, tug of war, suppose that if the both of the party apply same force, in that condition they will not move the ribbon in the center, neither right side nor left side. Suppose that a team that is in the left hand side has applied, if apply more force, that means the rope will move in the direction of them. So the rope may not move if the two team pull at the with equal force. Now this is very important to understand. Just I told you if two forces act on the body in same direction, like in this example you are able to see, in this example you are able to see two forces are applied in the same direction. In that condition, what we have to do, the net force means total amount of force is equal to the sum of the two force, that is F1 and F2. Second example, if two forces act in opposite direction, like in box, if the persons are opposite with each other, in that condition the force applied by the person more is subtract from the less force. So effect of force on the an object. What is the effect of force? It an object to move from rest. अगर कोई वस्तु रेस्ट पोजीशन में है तो वो मूव करने लगता है. फोर्स कैन स्टॉप ए मूविंग ऑब्जेक्ट. जैसे कि आप साइकिल पर चल रहे हो और आपका कोई दोस्त अपनी ओर पुल करता है तो आपकी साइकिल रुक जाती है, या आप कार में ब्रेक लगाते हो तो कार रुक जाती है. फोर्स कैन चेंज द स्पीड ऑफ एन ऑब्जेक्ट इफ इट इज़ मूविंग. अगर आप साइकिल पे चल रहे हो और आपको अगर कोई पीछे से धक्का दे दे तो आपका स्पीड बढ़ जाता है. फोर्स कैन चेंज द डायरेक्शन ऑफ मोशन ऑफ एन ऑब्जेक्ट. मैरी गो राउंड पे आप अगर चला रहे हो या कभी टर्न लेना होता तो आपका डायरेक्शन चेंज हो जाता है. फोर्स कैन चेंज द शेप ऑफ एन ऑब्जेक्ट. आपने अपनी मॉम को देखा होगा, सी यूज जनरली रोलिंग पिन टू मेक ब्रेड बाय यूजिंग डो. तो वहाँ पे पूरा शेप चेंज हो जाता है. तो फोर्स में कॉज वन और मोर ऑफ दीज इफेक्ट्स. फोर्स जो है वो वन या मोर इफेक्ट उसके कारण होता है. What are the types of force? There are two types of force: contact force, non-contact force. Contact force means when one object exert force on the other and both are contact with each other. For example, muscular force and force of friction. Second is non-contact force, when force exerted by one object on the other without any contact of each other is called non-contact force. So for example, magnetic force, electrostatic force and gravitational force. So muscular force exerted by muscles of our body. Muscular force is actually used for doing our day-to-day activities, different types of activities, like all of you observed in your surroundings. Bullocks, horses, camels, elephant use their muscular force for different tasks. You also perform various tasks or different tasks by using muscular force, like holding book, carrying load, etc. Force of friction. When the force of friction is the force which opposes the motion of an object over a surface. किसी चीज़ को मूव कर रहा है तो उसको रोकने के लिए एक अपोजिट फोर्स एक्ट होता है, और ये दो ऑब्जेक्ट के बीच में ये फोर्स एक्ट होता है. सपोज दैट ए बॉल रोलिंग ऑन ए ग्राउंड ग्रेजुअली स्लोज डाउन एंड कम्स टू रेस्ट ड्यू टू द फोर्स ऑफ फ्रिक्शन. आपको बॉल ग्राउंड में चल रहा लेकिन एक जगह रुक जाता है क्योंकि वहाँ पे एक अपोजिट फोर्स लगता है. यू स्टॉप पैडलिंग ए बाईसाइकिल ग्रेजुअली. आप जैसे अचानक से आप पैडल को स्टॉप करते हो तो धीरे धीरे आगे बढ़ के साइकिल रुक जाता है. All these are actually due to the force of friction. Non-contact force, magnetic force. When the force exerted by magnet is called magnetic force. Magnet attracts iron, cobalt and nickel objects. The objects that are made of iron, cobalt and nickel is called magnetic material. So magnet attracts magnetic material. Same poles of the magnet, all of you have studied about that. Same poles of the magnet repel each other and opposite pole of the magnet attract each other. So when you put or spread some iron nails and from some distance, when you keep a magnet, you are observing that all the nails are attracted towards the magnet. So there are some magnetic force around the magnet where the magnet influence force and attract the magnetic material. Electrostatic force is force exerted by a charged body on another charged or uncharged body. For example, if you take a plastic comb and rub on your hair and keep it near some bits of paper, you notice that paper attracts with the comb. So just like that, this activity you can also do. A plastic straw charged by rubbing with paper repel a suspended plastic charge by rubbing with paper. That means same charges repel each other, and if you take one charge and other is uncharged, they attract each other. So this activity you can do, and this is given in your NCERT book. So you do it and feel and give me what is the result of this activity. Gravitational force. Gravitational force is the force exerted by the earth on all objects, and it pulls all objects towards its center. So यहाँ little bit student here confused. Force of attraction between the two heavenly objects is called gravitational force. So a coin or pen falls towards the slip in your hand, and that ball towards falls down. Leaves and fruits also falls to the ground when they get detached from the plant. Water in rivers also flow downwards. So one of the student asked with me that gravitational force when we move on the earth or surface, that means it is an example of contact force. No my dear, our weight is very less, so we attract towards the gravitational force. Earth is a very big size, and the force exerted by earth on our body is more enough in compared to force exerted by us, so we attract towards the earth. What is pressure? The force acting on unit area of a surface is called pressure. Pressure is equal to force by area. What is the unit of force? That is Newton. So if the area is smaller, the pressure is more on the surface for the same force. It is very easy to push a nail into wooden plank by its pointed end than its head because the pressure is more. So if you are observing, nail ऊपर का जो पोर्शन है वो ब्रॉड है और नीचे का पोर्शन नुकीला होता है. तो जब हम फोर्स ऊपर से अप्लाई करते हैं तो पॉइंटेड नेल होने पे यहाँ पे एरिया कम हो जाता है, जिससे प्रेशर इंक्रीज हो जाता है. व्हेन वी यूज नाइफ, आपने देखा होगा कि जो इसका शार्प नाइफ है उधर से सब्जी हम काटते हैं, ऊपर से फोर्स अप्लाई करते हैं जो कि ब्रॉड है, और शार्प एरिया रिड्यूस हो जाता है जिससे कि प्रेशर बढ़े. इसी तरह आपका स्कूल बैग स्ट्रेप्स आर ब्रॉडर. जब आप कैरी करते हो बैग को तो आपके कंधे पे वजन पड़ेगा, प्रेशर ज़्यादा बढ़ेगा, इसलिए स्ट्रेप्स जो बैग के हैं वो ब्रॉड बनाए जाते हैं ताकि एरिया बढ़ेगा तो प्रेशर कम होगा. व्हाट डज इट मीन? इफ़ यू इंक्रीज area, pressure will decrease. If you decrease area, pressure will increase. So first example and second example is in this picture is actually example in which area is reduced to increase pressure, whereas in bag what do you notice that we increase area to reduce pressure. So in first and second we have to decrease area to increase pressure, and in bag we have to increase area to decrease pressure. Is it clear? नेल में क्या किया गया है? नेल में एरिया कम किया गया ताकि प्रेशर बढ़े. नाइफ में भी एरिया, शार्प एरिया में एरिया कम किया गया प्रेशर बढ़ने के लिए. जस्ट अपोजिट स्कूल बैग में एरिया बढ़ाया गया ताकि प्रेशर कम पड़े. व्हाट इज़ द यूनिट ऑफ फोर्स? न्यूटन. Unit of area, as you know, meter square. So pressure is equal to force of area. So what is the unit of pressure? Newton per meter square. So 1 Newton work अगर होगा 1 meter square में, that is equal to pressure, and 1 Newton per meter square is equal to 1 Pascal. So let us try to understand. Pressure increase, मैंने बोला pressure increase with decrease in surface area and pressure decrease with increase in surface area. So in this diagram I have explained about that. Now come on, suppose that there is a force of 100 Newton is applying on a surface of area. आपका एक बुक रखा हुआ है जिसका एरिया 10 मीटर स्क्वायर, सॉरी बुक नहीं उतना बड़ा होगा, टेबल है या पलंग है, उसका 10 मीटर स्क्वायर एरिया है, उस पर 100 न्यूटन आप फोर्स अप्लाई कर रहा हूँ। दूसरा सरफेस एरिया 25 मीटर स्क्वायर है, उस पर भी 100 न्यूटन फोर्स अप्लाई कर रहे हो, तो किस पे प्रेशर ज़्यादा होगा? ऑब्वियसली फर्स्ट केस में होगा। क्यों? क्योंकि 100/10 मीटर स्क्वायर दैट मीन्स 10 न्यूटन मीटर स्क्वायर प्रेशर है, जबकि दूसरे केस में क्या है, 100/25 दैट इज इक्वल टू 4 न्यूटन पर मीटर स्क्वायर. So this is very clear that if you pressure is increased with decrease in surface area and pressure decrease with increased surface area. In day to day life you also observe that in toothpaste when you increase pressure paste comes out. You also notice that potters carry bags on their head. वो क्या करते हैं, सर में लाल कपड़ा बांधते हैं, क्यों? ताकि उनके सर का एरिया बढ़ जाए और प्रेशर रिड्यूस हो जाए. जस्ट लाइक नेल में अभी जस्ट मैंने बताया यहाँ पे एरिया कम किया गया है ताकि प्रेशर बढ़े. पॉटर अभी जस्ट मैंने बताया हेवी लोड को कैरी करने के लिए अपने सर के चारों ओर कपड़ा बांधते हैं. ऑब्जेक्ट्स हैविंग शार्प एंड्स पेनिट्रेट मोर फास्टर देन द ऑब्जेक्ट हैविंग ब्लंट एंड्स. कांटी का जो चौड़ा ब्रॉड एरिया उसको आप चाहिएगा कि पेनिट्रेट करना किसी वुडन प्लैंक में या दीवार में, दैट इज डिफिकल्ट. सो व्हेन एरिया ऑफ द सरफेस इज हाई प्रेशर विल बी लेस. स्ट्रैप्स ऑफ बैग अभी जस्ट बताया इज जनरली यूज टू थिक दैट इज टू reduce pressure. Objects used for cutting are provided with the sharp edge. Pressure exerted by the liquid gases. Next class I will explain about that.